Now, of course, we've talked about autonomy extensively here in the Technology Corner. We've seen retrofit kits used for mowing and tillage applications, but what about planting cover crops? Jake Warford works as a precision specialist for Linco-Precision in Nokomis, Illinois, and he says they're just scratching the surface when it comes to implementing autonomy in their customers' operations.
Well, I think there's going to be big opportunities in fertilizer and lime spreading. I think that cover crop planting is going to be big. I used ours last year to sow some cover crops, and I sowed some wheat with it. I think, you know, the opportunities are kind of endless. It's just a matter of what you can, anywhere you can think to make it work. I think there's an application for it.
Hey, you saw Warford there standing in front of a Sabanto autonomy kit, which Linco-Precision is currently offering to their customers. And Warford says Sabanto's philosophy has been crawl, walk, run, and he says right now they're probably in the walking phase. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.